Oh, the boys are here. Oh, look at the boy, he's using his dodo. He's baking. See? Boy, not like that, like this. Yeah, you see? You see, buddy? Like that. That's how you watch the birds. So now I'll be waiting with the boys. We're gonna move. I'll bring Maui boy, Maki boy, and Milky boy later. I have my stuff in here. See? Water, food of my boy. Of course, Power Cat, organic food for my boys. I have the litter box in here. What, boy, feeling at home already? Oh, look at Milky boy. What are you doing, boy? This is not to be eaten. The favorite of Milky boy is unboxing. That's his favorite. He's always around when I'm unboxing something. So let's check the scratcher number 2. You see the price, guys, is 1,030 pesos. Plastic carton lamp. How did it become 1,030 pesos? But anyway, I bought it, guys, because I need it for the boys. What's this, boy? And this is their catnip. Let's put them some catnip. You see, Maki boy is coming. Come here, boy. What's this? Let's put them catnip here. So I'll be putting this in front of their room. You see, this is the stand. It can be stand like that, or it can be just like this, laying down. Come here, boy. Try it. So guys, this is my room and this is their room. If you wanna watch my house tour, make sure to check out my second channel, Hungry Cereal Vlogs, to see my full house tour. Look at the boys. So I put them catnip. This is a nice way to introduce to them a new item. What, boy? What? So this is the best way for you guys to introduce something new to your cats. To put them catnip, and then slowly they're gonna start scratching this. I feel that Maui boy will be the first one to break it. Right? Oh, the boy is laying down, the boss. The boss is laying down. What, buddy? I'll show you what I got for the boys. I bought this also for the boys. Wow. Look, the first cat ever to use this is Milky boy. Milky boy was the first one to use the scratcher. Nice boy. So look at them, guys, they are already adjusting fast. It's not taking them long to adjust, you know. That's a good thing, because I was worried it will take them long to adjust, but look at Maui boy. He's just okay now, and he's still fat. Right, boy? These are the things I bought for them. I bought them treats, different flavors. You see, this is their favorite, Bikini Man. Oh, Maki boy is starting to scratch also. Wow, they are celebrating the scratchers, the boys. Wow, enjoying the boy. Yes, boy, scratch that, but don't scratch the sofa. Okay? You can scratch that, but do not touch the sofa. I'm telling you, boy. Okay, be a good boy. Here, guys, I got them canned goods, different flavors. This is wet food, guys, but they're dry food. I'm using Power Cat for them. It's really good. So this is what I bought for them today. In addition to the scratcher. Oh, this is a perfect place here. See? Near the door, so they don't scratch the sofa. So instead of scratching this sofa, they'll scratch the scratcher. They'll just do this. See? So I decided to move them here for a while, maybe for 3 months, siguro, until our house is finished. Right, boy? You see, the boy is so makulit. His eyes are the same color as the house. Because in our house now, it's not safe for my cats there because I always open and close the doors when we put out and in some stocks. Okay, let's go to your room. So you see the boys, they are still wandering off in this place. Oh, look at Maui boy, he's patrolling. Roll, roll. Oh, yeah. Good boy rolling. Come here. Okay, he'll use the scratcher. Oh, Milky Boy came. He heard him. He heard him. Needs to fix himself in the mirror first. Oh, okay. He said it's my turn. Milky Boy said it's his turn. See? He needs to sharpen these nails. Oh, the boys are enjoying the new house. Look at them. See? The view, they are looking outside at the trees. At the same time, it's safe, guys, because of the screen. So let's check out where's Maui Boy. Where's the boy? Oh, he's under the bed, buddy. How did you fit there? You're so fast. Oh, hanging out together. Roll, boy, roll, roll. Why are you all here? Why are you all here? So this is the scratcher of the boys. You see, I bought them this 1,030 pesos. Look at it, color blue. So let's surprise the boys. Let's see what they are doing. They are sleeping, I think. Where are you, buddy? Oh, the boys are here. Oh, the tongue of Milky Boy. What's with your tongue, boy? What, buddy? Where are you going? And you see Maui Boy? Oh, they are sitting together. Yeah, manin si Maui Boy. Look at this. And where's Maki Boy? Maki Boy is there. See? This is their room, guys, and they have view also of the trees, the greens outside. So they stand here on the window to watch the birds. See? What, buddy? They like to watch the birds. They also have air conditioning in here. Yeah, manin. Yeah, manin, buddy. This is the dodo blanket of the boy. That's yours. Hey, hey. So the boys are also enjoying in here in their new house, guys. Oh, look at the boy. He's using his dodo. He's baking. See? Beside Maui Boy. I brought their blanket with them so that they feel that they are still at home. That's the reason why I brought their blanket, for them to feel that they are still at home, guys. Look at Maui Boy, how fat he is. He's so fat. You see? I got their water, their food, and their scratcher. You see? Everything is ready. This is their old scratcher, that's why it looks messed up. Because they scratch it every day. And Maki Boy, he likes to stay under the study table. You see? Right, buddy? Oh, it's making sound. Look. Wow. So guys, if you want to check out their vlog, go and check out their channel. Here, boy. So I'll open the door for them now so that they can go outside. Go out, boy. Out. Yeah, enjoy. see, they're gonna wander off now. Look at Maui boy. He's yayamanin in here. He's going straight to the kitchen. That's the litter sand I bought for them. You see, I bought them a lot of litter sand. Kahit der tae may bayad, guys. Der tae may bayad, der pagkain, der pagkain may bayad, everything, even their water. Look at the boy in here, enjoying. Boy, not like that, like this. Yeah, you see? You see, buddy? Like that. That's how you watch the birds. It's so hot outside, we can see the sun. So, this is the screen. So they are safe in here, guys. And when I go out of the house, I close the sliding door. Wow, look at my boy now. He's comfortable. Right, buddy? Oh, so fat the boy. Look at him, he's so comfortable now. He's rolling already. See? Right? Right, Milky Boy? Hey, hey, he likes to be wrapped. Oh, he's using the scratcher already. See? Nice. Don't scratch the sofa. You should teach Mackie Boy not to scratch the sofa, boy. Teach your brother not to scratch the sofa. See? This is the tips, guys, to give them a lot of scratchers so they don't scratch your furnitures. See? Milky Boy is demonstrating how to scratch. Show them how, boy. Yeah, show them how. Yeah, like that. See? Well, your wet is here. I think the other boy is bird watching. Oh. What, buddy? What, buddy? What? Oh, he went under. This is Maui boy and Milky Boy. They want to see the birds. Where are the birds? Where are the birds, buddy? What, buddy? Where are the birds?